In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Add to Hover in Wix Studio. After successfully logging in into your Wix Studio account and being able to access the dashboard, the first step is to go to the top bar and on the left-hand side under My Site, click on the drop-down. You just want to make sure that you are on the exact site you want to be on. Once that's done, head over to your name and on the right-hand side, simply click on Design Site. Once you are on your Wix Studio website, what you want to do is you want to simply click on the element in which you want to add the hover effects on. Let's say I want to do this on the text. Simply click on that specific element. And on the top and the right hand side, you will actually see the option for animation. Simply click on that. Now in here, onto the right hand side, you will see the animation options. And for the entrance, you can add a specific effect. However, if you click on the mouse effects here on the drop down, it will actually show you the different effects in which you can add whenever a mouse hovers on that specific element. Let's say I want to add airy. You can even customize the animation. You can change the mouse movement to follow or invert, the movement axis, as well as the motion style. You can even preview on mouse move on the right hand side. Simply click on the eye, and the animation will play when the mouse moves within the editor. And that's about it. That's how to use Add to Hover in Wix Studio. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I will do my best to help you out.